So you wanna smoothly switch between two poses based on a condition. That's blend pose by Bool. Now it's actually how you avoid snapping animations, walking to crouching, idle to aiming, holding or not holding a weapon. So if you are using this, your animation will not just snap, it will blend into another animation. But for now, let's just know how to get this node. So just right click and type in blend pose by Bool and you will get this node. But you can see on the screen, we have two options here. One by Bool and the second one is int. You can use both of these node and you will get very similar results. But for now, let's just focus on the blend pose by Bool. So this is how you get this node. For now, let's just remove both of these because we have an example prepared for us. But now here is a very important thing that I think you should know about this node, that it will only appear in Anim instance of your character. It will not appearing in the character blueprint or in the actor blueprint. And if you are unsure about how to get this, so first of all, I will show you that. So let's just go to the character blueprint like this, and you can click on any of it. Mainly, you can click on BP third person character like I did, or you can just click on the mesh on which the Anim class is actually applied on. After that, on the right side in the details panel, you can see Anim class, and then there is a search icon. Click on this and you will find your character Anim instance. So it's named ABP Queen. So let's just open it now. But as you can see here, it is a child blueprint of ABP Many. So we have to go to the parent instance. So let's just click this one. And now as you can see, we are back to our example that I was talking to you about. So in the case you are opening this first time, we will go to the Anim graph and you will get something like this, where you can, the main state is connected to the slot or the default slot, and that's it. But here I made some few changes, like I added a blend pose by Bool. Now as you can see on the screen, the first state machine is going to the true pose, and the new way I created that state machine for the false pose, and all this will be controlled by the active or not active Boolean variable, which I will be showing you how to connect. But first of all, let's explore a bit of the new way state machine. So as you can see, it's nothing special here. I just connected a simple state of animation called running forward, and you know what, let's just make it loop because it will stop after the animation is done playing. So let's just check the loop option here like this, and that will be all. So let's just compile it, and as you can see, our new way state machine is ready. So it will change on the active not active variable. I will told you that. And now let's go to the event graph where I set it up. So you will get your event graph of Anim instance like this, but it will have only the sequence of then 0, then 1, then 2. I added a then 3 as well, but just by clicking the plus pin, and from which I am taking an execution pin and I'm connecting it to our variable called active or not. And for setting that up, I am taking the variable of the as third person character that we made a blueprint of above in the blueprint, and then I'm taking a new variable. Now this variable exists in the character blueprint, which I'll be showing in a sec, and then I'm setting up the active or not active variable. So it's very simple. It sounds complicated, but it is very simple what we are doing here. And in case you encounter any doubt in this, just comment down below and we will talk about it. So now we are in the character blueprint, where as you can see, we have created a new variable called new variable. Nothing special, just we named it new variable, in which we have a debug key 1. If we press the debug key, it will make new variable false, which will lead to the situation where the running forward animation will play out. And as soon as we release that button, then the new variable will be true and it will come back to the normal state machine, the way it actually moves and jump and all that stuff. So I hope it's making a bit sense. And for better understanding, let's just compile the code and see it in action. Now as you can see on the screen, as soon as I press 1, it starts running, and it also prints screen false, and as soon as I leave, it prints screen true, and it stops running like that. So hope it's making a bit sense. Now the question is, as I already answered you, but even now the question is, where are you going to use it? It is used for stance, state based animation, or blending lower and upper body layers. Blend make character feel organic. So it's a super useful node and very easy to understand, and I will recommend you to watch it again so you can get this concept very clear very easily. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.